Hey everyone, this video will show you how to install fabric mods in Minecraft 1.21.5. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Minecraft Fabric Loader. Then, go to the official site and download the Windows installer for easy setup. Then you can also use the jar file, but that needs Java. And after that, run the Fabric installer, then select Minecraft version 1.21.5 and choose the loader version and click install and then press OK. Then open Minecraft launcher and then go to installations, then fabric loader, then folder icon. And after that, open the mods folder, and this is where all mods added. Then search for fabric mods online, and I recommend Modrinth for safe downloads, and pick your mod like Iris Shader, then select your game version and fabric, then download the file. And after that, move the downloaded mod in the mods folder and open Minecraft launcher and select fabric loader from the drop down menu and click play. Then make sure mods match your Minecraft version to avoid crashes. You can add multiple fabric mods this way for a customized Minecraft experience. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.